Hi guys, we're here at Walmart. We're gonna buy some groceries because me and my family are having a barbecue this weekend. Alright, so we're gonna have some burgers and some hot dogs. So first of all, we need to get some ketchup. Also, we're gonna be needing some hamburger pickles. So let's get that first. We got dill pickles. Now we got the ketchup. We're gonna also get some mustard, yellow mustard, and some mayonnaise. Now a big thing with every party is you need chips and good soda, so let's get that. Alright guys, let's get some cherry Coke. Alright guys, let's get some Sprite and 7-Up. Ooh, cherry 7-Up. And guys, we can't forget the Baja Blast. Let's get the party started. And Sprite. Alright guys, so we're big Lay's people, so we're gonna get some lemon and classic and probably some barbecue ones. Lay's lemon, the classic, and the barbecue. Alright guys, let's buy some hamburger buns. Oh, here they are. Check these out. Get a couple. Alright guys. Alright guys, we're gonna buy the meat from Costco. Now we're gonna make the hamburgers from scratch, so that should be fun. We're gonna buy some ground beef over there. Now we need some colorful party cups. And some nice plates. Hi guys, we're here at Costco. We're gonna buy some stuff that we need for the house. Come follow me. Alright guys. Oh snap, this looks really good. And we're gonna get this utensil set. It's nice. Keep it going. Now what we really need is a thermometer. Why? Because sometimes we have a turkey, sometimes there's some chicken or some ham, and we need to know the temperature of it. This is cool. Not sponsored, but I'll endorse it. I mean, if you guys want to pay me to sponsor something, I mean, of course I'll take it. Alright guys, so we got here some ground beef. We're gonna get 2 packets. If this is divided up evenly, I think this is 6 meals right here. Oh man, there's no chickens.
We got Polish sausage right here. 100%
No chickens. We're gonna get 2. 1 and 2. Alright guys, let's go get some Pepsi. Yay! I love my Pepsi. I drink 1 a day. I wish I could drink more. I'm trying to stay in shape, guys. So guys, how's your day going? You guys doing alright? You guys taking care of yourselves? Mental health, physical health. It's important, guys. We gotta take care of ourselves. Now, onto the Pepsi. Not sponsored. Guys, I think I should get sponsored by Pepsi. I have like so many ideas, like slogans and like commercials. Like, gosh, I would nail it. Maybe as like a director, not like an actor, but like. Alright guys, Pepsi. This should last about a month. Just kidding guys, it lasts about a week. Alright. Mission accomplished. Now let's hope my credit card doesn't get declined.